Welcome to my YouTube channel, Me and Mind Machine Learning. In this tutorial, I will discuss the linear regressions. So, I wrap up the linear regression in 10 days. So, what are 10 days strategy? So, first days 1 to 4 days is the concept of linear regressions. After that, intuition of linear regressions. Now, days 4 to 7 is the Python coding, how to perform the linear regression in the Python, and what kind of library and module is used for the hands-on project on linear regressions. Now, as we know that simple linear regression is not enough to perform the real world problems, and even also you want to participate in the Kaggle project. Simple linear regression concept is not so sufficient to deal the. So days 7 to 10 is the deal the advanced linear regressions. Now come to the what is the linear regressions. So basically linear regression regression analysis that's give the dependent variable is the quantity that we want to predict the or explain on the basis of a dependent variables. This is called linear regressions. Okay, so like there are two variables, year of experience and salary. On the basis of year of experience, how can predict the salary? So first 5 years experience, second 15 lakh salary, and so on. Now how can you predict the 10 years of experience, what is the salary? So using the linear regression algorithm, you can easily predict the salary on the basis of year of experience. In that regression, only one variable is associated. That's why it's called simple linear regression. If you mention the another variable, that is called multilinear regressions. So before go to the dive into the machine learning concept, learn the what is the mathematical intuition of machine learning. Okay, this is called x-axis, this is called y-axis, and that is called intercept, and that is called slope. Okay, that part is called explanatory variable or independent variable. It's also called, sometimes it's called response variable. So no, sometimes it's also called is the explanatory variable. Okay, this is the x-axis. So on the base on the x-axis you can plot the year of experience, and this is the y-axis, that is called response variable. Y-axis is the salary, that is the response variable, and dependent variable, that part is called intercepts, this is called slope. So if you plot the independent variable like year of experience, yeah, any other variable, so you can plot that value, that variable on the x-axis, because x-axis refer to the independent variable, y-axis refer to the response variable and dependent variable like salary, and this part is called intercept. So what is the intercept? Now this straight line is called y equal to mx plus c. So c is your intercept, m is slope. So what is the slope? Slope is m equal to tan theta. So what is the tan theta? Tan theta is the basically angle between these two lines. So how can, like you have assigned a variable 5, 10 and 15 and so on, 5, 10 and so on. So intercept is the 5, and 5 minus 5 is 5. This part is also 5. So here is the tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is the 5, base is the 5. So here tan theta is 1. So this is the concept of slope. Further video will discuss the residuals, sum of square, fittest line and all these things. So thank you for watching this video.